Halki Diabetes Remedy Reviews. Click link in below description. Halki Diabetes Remedy is an online program designed to tackle the root cause of type 2 diabetes, which reverses the disease and repairs the damage it's caused this far. It's an all-natural 21-day system that takes you through the steps needed to rid your body of the toxins that have been linked to being the root cause of type 2 diabetes. What is Halki Diabetes Remedy? The statistics surrounding type 2 diabetes is shocking. Approximately 29.1 million Americans suffer from diabetes, and another 8.1 million Americans have yet to be diagnosed or even aware that they have it. Who is the author of Halki Diabetes Remedy? Amanda Peterson is the creator of Halki Diabetes Remedy. She is a professional researcher who has spent over 2 decades dedicating her career to finding healthier, natural remedies to modern medicine. Introduction 1. You have everything you need. 2. Island of Wonder. 3. Not just another ebook. 4. The power of addiction. 6. Something just doesn't add up. 7. Air, the real killer. 8. The impact of inflammation. 9. It's not just diabetes. 5. Toxicity protocol. Introduction to reversing glucoraphan and sulforaphane myrosinase, the unsung hero. B. Carotene. Omega-3 fatty acid. Ginger. 9. Magnesium. Vitamin C. 5. Vitamin E. Recipes. Week 1 recipes. Week 2 recipes. Week 3 recipes. Success guaranteed. Welcome to your new life. You also receive some bonus program for absolutely free, which are: Bonus 1. Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2. 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide. Bonus 3. Energy Multiplier Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 4. 10 videos for Energy Multiplier. Bonus 5. Achieve Your Goals Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 6. 10 videos to achieve your goals. Halki Diabetes Remedy out with the 60-day money-back guarantee, and you can't go wrong by trying the natural and safe way of tackling the root cause of type 2 diabetes. Plus, you get an abundance of bonus programs for absolutely free. Click link in below description.